Oh friends, welcome to a new video.
Top 5 Best Hair Dryer. Number 5. Remington D3190 Damage Protection Hair Dryer with Ceramic Plus Ionic Plus Tourmaline Technology. Damage Protection Hair Dryer for shiny, healthy hair. 3x more protection with advanced coating technology. Healthier hair with proprietary micro conditioner technology. 1875 watt for fast drying power. Ceramic Plus Ionic Plus Tourmaline Grill for faster drying with less frizz. Power, 60 Hz. Number 4. Revlon 1875 watts compact and lightweight hair dryer. Compact and lightweight design, perfect for travel. 2 heat speed settings for drying and styling flexibility and control. Cool shot button help to set the look for gorgeous, long-lasting results. Available in 3 colors. Number 3. Conair 1600 watt compact hair dryer with folding handle. The Conair 1600 watt folding handle hair dryer folds right into your busy lifestyle. Lightweight travel blow dryer with folding handle for compact storage. Only weighs 1 pound. Dual voltage grade for travel. 2 heats and speeds customer settings for all hair types. 5-foot power cord. Number 2. Conair 1875 watt full-size pro hair dryer with ionic conditioning. Includes concentrator for focused airflow and straight styles. 5-foot power cord. Cool shot button locks style in place. Tourmaline ceramic technology provides uniform heat for fast drying and helps reduce heat damage. The Conair 1875 watt full-size pro hair dryer creates less frizz and more shine with ionic technology. Number 1. Professional Ionic Salon Hair Dryer. Risk-free product trial. We believe that you will fall in love with the Trezoro Ion System hair dryer. If you are not satisfied, contact the seller within 60 days for a guaranteed 100% refund. You definitely deserve it. Feel charming and confident all day. 3 heat settings and 2 speeds, equipped with 2 concentrator nozzles to precisely meet the demands of all hairstyles: curly, straight, thin or thick. The perfect hairstyling tool for hairstylists. The new upgraded 2200 watts DC motor providing powerful airflow and fast drying. Bring a professional salon home. Advanced ions generator. Built in our breakthrough is to use turbo to speed up transferring 10 times more ions and thus help removing static and reducing frizz. The combined effect of ceramic tourmaline makes hair soft and smooth, and all you have to do is blow dry it.